Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in here, and please do take a moment and do subscribe my channel. It really means a lot to me. So yeah, today I'm gonna review my first ever foundation and how lucky I am that I got my perfect match, like the perfect shade match with an amazing formula. So I'm gonna talk about this beautiful Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. So I'm in the shade 12 True Toffee, and I cannot tell you guys, this is exact perfect match for my shade. I know it's too late to review this foundation, and I know many of you guys are also familiar with this, but just in case you don't know how beautiful this foundation is, so this video is for you guys. So this is available in different 15 shades, so I guess many of you guys can find your own shade. So this particular shade comes under warm undertone, which perfectly matched to my skin tone. It has a yellow undertone in it. I think I just got my perfect match. I would like to tell you one more important thing about this foundation, guys, that this does not oxidize on my face. I mean, it does not make me look dull or black like other foundation does. I think it's an underrated foundation. It needs to come in highlight. I'm so impressed by this foundation, you guys. It has all that things which I really need in my foundation, and yeah, it really deserves it. So I would definitely suggest you guys to try this one. So this foundation claims that it has triple action formula, which is anti-pollution, deep hydration and oil control action. So let me tell you guys, I have super oily skin, and this foundation stays on my face without even creasing at all. And also I don't need to set my whole face. It gives me a nice velvety matte finish. I just need to set my T-zone. So yeah, longevity wise is also very good, and without touch up this foundation can stay on your face I think about 4 to 5 hours. So it's a pretty good formula. So I'm completely in love with this one. Now I'm gonna do a quick tutorial of this makeup. Like, I have used no primer, no concealer, just this foundation, because I really want to tell you guys, show you guys that how beautiful this foundation is. So yeah, keep watching.
Starting off with a good nice sunscreen. So I'm using here Biotique's Sandalwood sunscreen. You can use whatever suits your skin type. This sunscreen gives me a nice glowy texture. Okay, so now here comes the cream, this foundation. So I'm just gonna use it, and you can see that its consistency is a little bit flowy. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it with the help of brush. You can use it with makeup sponge or beauty blender, whatever you like. I'm just gonna do it with a brush, and you can instantly see it blends so beautifully, and I cannot tell you guys, it is such a perfect match. And I would also suggest you to first tap it with your fingers and then go ahead and blend it with your beauty blender or brush. Can you instantly see the difference? So you can see that how beautiful this foundation is. It is full matte. You can't say it full matte, but it gives you nice velvety matte finish, which doesn't make you look patchy or cakey at all. That too without a primer, which is a very good thing. And also it does not make your skin dry. Instead of that, it gives you nice hydration. Blend your hairlines nicely, and also don't forget your necks and your jawline, and also put some foundation on your ear so everything will look even. Blending is the key, guys. More you blend, more your skin will look nice. So yeah. Can you see that glow, and can you see that finish? I am in completely love with this finish. So now I'm gonna set my T-zone area and the under eye area with the help of Coloressence Compact in the shade Dusky. So I'm just focusing on under eye area, eyelids and T-zone. Okay, now fix it with any makeup spray. I'm here using glowing mist. So here I'm using brush again to melt everything into my skin. So now I'm just gonna put some blush, and yeah. Now I'm setting my brows with this spoolie. And now I'm filling my sparse area, only the sparse area, because already I have nice bushy eyebrows. So I'm just filling the gaps with the help of brown and black eyeshadow. You can go ahead and use whatever product you like to use on your eyebrows. So here I'm using Maybelline's Creamy Matte collection in the shade Nude Nuance on my eyes, just on the outer area of my eyelids, so that it will give a little bit warmth, color and depth to my eyelids, and also I will blend it with the help of my fingers. You can also use your brush. And now I'm putting highlighter on my inner half of the eyelids. Doing the same on another eye, and yeah, so it will give me a little bit shiny looks on my eyes. That's what all I want. And now it's time for mascara. Always remove off the excess before applying it. Now it's time for my favorite highlighter. Just apply it on your highest point of face, and I do apply it a lot on my nose because I like my nose a little bit more highlighted and pointed. And yeah, a last fix to set everything nicely. Can you see that base? It looks so glowy. So here I'm removing off the excess of lip balm to apply some lipstick, and here I'm using Maybelline's Creamy Matte collection in the shade Nude Nuance 657. Then I'm topping it off with the dark pink shade. This one is from Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not in the shade 17 Fiery Berry. And blending everything with the help of this lip brush. And lastly, I'm just finishing it over with a transparent gloss.
So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found my review helpful and my content informative. So if you did, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press that notification bell icon, so every time I will come up with the new content, you guys will get notified. And yeah, till then, stay positive, stay safe and stay at home.